Hi everyone, I'm Aleksandra Kosteniuk, the 12th Women's World Chess Champion, and today we're going through my bag. I have no clue what we're gonna find there, so let's go. Okay, so there are several bags possibilities. The main thing about a lady's bag, it doesn't matter the size, it will always be full. So if it's a small bag, of course, it's full. If it's a huge bag, it still will be full. But when I'm traveling for tournaments, because of anti-cheating measures nowadays, they're not allowed. I mean, we're asked not to bring a big bag. We're still allowed, thanks God, to bring a small bag with us, but not a huge one. So this is, and not without preferably without a lot of metal and stuff. So I think this one is ideal for that, for this anti-cheating measures before the game. But of course, it's not the the items that I will have before my games, because in
that
this
would be
bag
for another video.
Yeah.
Well, 10 items I bring to my game.
Yeah, exactly. I see that there is a badge, House. So yeah, they handed me this serious player badge. Here we go. Then, I don't always travel or come with a bag. Most of the time I use my phone for that, because it's a wallet. I have all my cards, and I have also a small, bigger
to hold it on your
lanyard, I think it's called, to put wherever I want. So it serves usually as my bag, but okay.
See, that's the thing that I'm always concerned about. It's when they steal your phone, they also steal it with your
cards. It's my life, yeah. But what to do? It's very convenient. Otherwise, you need to have a wallet, a separate wallet. And if they stole your wallet, it's also not very good. So, okay, that's my phone. Okay, then, since phone, battery and everything, I have a power bank.
Oh.
This one is very convenient because it can charge both, both phones, and because nowadays they have different output.
It's been lightning, I think that was called. Yeah,
I'm not sure how it's called, but those ends. I mean, it's good with this phone and with USB, whatever. And with the older phones, it's also very good, and sometimes it's very convenient. So I like this power bank. So it's with me. It's 71%.
Ooh.
So, and it charges fast.
Color.
Yeah, it charges fast. So, and it also has a charger for an iWatch, which is, it doesn't work very well though.
Do you wear an iWatch?
Yeah, I have an iWatch, and actually nowadays it's such a disappointment for me to come to an official chess tournament. You're not allowed to wear watches. Okay, an iWatch I can understand, but beautiful, ladies' watches like Rolex, Cartier, I don't know. Yeah. I have so many beautiful watches, and I'm not able to demonstrate them because a chess game, a chess tournament is a perfect excuse to wear those beautiful items. And nowadays we're not allowed to, which is a pity. Thankfully, we're still allowed to wear jewelry. And they make an exception. If you have a sponsor contract with a watch, like a brand watch, then FIDE will consider you. Will still need to give your watches. They will do a very thorough anti-cheating
inspection
control, and then you will be allowed. So if anyone is interested, I'm open to discussions. So yeah,
I think you were sponsored by the Swiss.
Yeah, Balmain watches, a long time ago, a very long time ago.
Yeah,
but yeah,
I think recently I saw with NFT watch something. No,
it's NFT diary. But it was for a watch, but. I was not wearing it during a tournament, unfortunately. Yes. Those do I have? Then I think I have. Okay, it's a key card. Key card is
important.
Yeah, a brush, a small brush. Since I'm traveling, since I'm traveling all the time, it's very convenient. And actually, I lost a bag a few days ago. I left it in the car of our captain, and I was so afraid that I would lose this brush because it's the only one that I have. I'm traveling with it. I don't have anything else. And I don't, that's also kind of very hard. I lived for 2 days without a brush, and it was kind of messy. Then I have a pen, which is also very, very disappointing. I hate plastic pens that they provide in official chess tournaments. I hate them. I mean, I see this, how to say it mildly, very not classy. We're not allowed to bring our own beautiful pens. which I'm ready to, to give them, so they inspect it, so they can like take it out, every single item. But at least I will feel well when I write down the moves. And with those plastic pens, sometimes it's such a disappointment. So yeah, so I have a pen that.
Is there any luck, like particular omen related to this pen?
No, this one no, but okay, I used to have, small toys and pens that kind of, if I won a game, I would bring to the next game. But then at some point I decided that, then you start relying on these things too much. It should not influence how you play and whether you win or lose. So I decided not to pay any attention.
Yeah, because would you have that type of tradition? Today I won with this pen.
Then you start wearing the same T-shirt for weeks. No, of course it's nice. I mean, I had tournaments like this in the World Championship under 12, I think. Okay. So I had a small bag, same size. I had a small plush kitten there. Yeah, my charm. And then one pen and probably something else. And I always brought this back, I remember. But then, yeah, I said to myself that it's too much. I love to play on wooden chess sets, of course, like plastic chess sets. It gives me a heartache. And then I don't think I have. Yeah, I have hand sanitizer.
Important.
Yeah, when you're traveling.
Yeah,
and it's nice. It smells nice.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Wow, it's like cream.
Yeah. That's I like nowadays. They have this antibacterial, moisturizing hand sanitizers.
Oh.
Yeah, in US you buy them. A lot of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Check that out.
Yeah. This one. And then I think I have some. Yeah, I have hair clip.
With checker.
Yes. Well, this Louis Vuitton brand, they have this damier collection that I love. I have several bags. Unfortunately, I was traveling and I got an invitation here just out of the blue, and I didn't have my favorite bags with me. But this pattern, of course, I love it. I have a belt and I have shoes with those damier collection, and just a big fan of it. And they had 2 or 3 years ago, they had this chess collection thing, and I was following the streets, in Paris, and whenever you saw this Louis Vuitton stores with chess pieces, and for some reason, when I see chess in fashion, or I'm so touched. My husband is always laughing at me because the moment I see checkered pattern, I say, that's the back, that's the dress. You see? Chess. And I go, you are crazy. Okay, and then I have some lady stuff. So I have a balm, lip balm, when you travel and when it's winter. And then I have lip gloss.
Oh, such a hand.
And I'm traveling with, usually it's travel size.
Nice.
I mean, I came here only with travel size things.
Yeah.
All my bottles are less than 100 milliliters because, again, I was traveling with a backpack. So I spent 5 days in Vienna only with those small free samples, travel sizes. Oh, I love them. When you go to a store, you buy a perfume or something bigger, or a cream, and they give you, those 10 small items. And that's why I come and buy big stuff to get those small items. And a bigger one.
Ooh.
A bigger one.
Nice.
Yes.
Is red your favorite color for the lip gloss?
I I was trying to find darker red, but this one is pinkish. There are always many shades of color, but never the one that you're looking for. So this is exactly the case. I was looking at this one that I like. So if we would mix these two, so if this would be sparkling, shimmering, that would be, I think, the ideal colors that I would love to have.
I'm pretty sure all these makeup artists, they are mixing everything.
Yeah, they do, but okay.
Smart.
Okay, so some lip gloss, and a powder, also Chanel powder. I think it's Chanel, right, who recently came out with this new line that's noir and rouge noir, black and red. Chess. There is a girl playing chess, and I of course I was so excited because I used to collect those brands using chess in advertisement. So I loved it. I remember I had a Tiffany, I think was a Queen or moving, and so now like Louis Vuitton had it several years ago. Now it's Chanel. So because I like to dream big, and I've always believed in women's chess potential. And I think it's such a beautiful image, like beautiful women playing beautiful game, you know. And when those brands are using chess, they kind of like agree with my point of view. And like hopefully one day we can see like a big tournament with all those brands involved. That's my dream. That's my back stuff.
If you had to rush, God forbid something bad happens, house on fire, or you go on a desert island, what would be the 2 items you would take with you out of this?
A brush. I like it.
I knew it. I knew it. I was gonna say, I can help you. I was gonna do that. I know it's a brush. Wonderful.
Yeah, I like it. It's mine.
I knew that. What are the 5 things that you always bring to a chess game?
I would bring an accreditation, which is essential. Usually I shall not forget it. Players often do, but then they need to run back. And so an accreditation badge, then a hotel key card. Of course, if I have my hair like this, I would bring hair clip or something to hold my hair, because when I start to get nervous, I like my hair up, so I need to put them up. Because I get hot, and those hairs, they kind of make me hotter. Anyway, so that's why I cannot play with my hair down.
That's why. Yeah, I was always wondering, I noticed that I was always, growing up, I was always looking after you as a style icon, in women's chess, especially in Russia, and I always wondered why you always the
ponytail. Yeah. So I look at those girls playing with their hair going into their eyes, and I think, oh my God, I wish I could be that calm, because that will kind of annoy me and get me nervous. And since I'm the temperature of my body rises drastically when I play a game, it gives me heat waves. So like a hair clip or something to hold my hair, a key card, and accreditation. Always I have something to eat, like dates or chocolate. Chocolate rarely, because nowadays I don't eat chocolate a lot during the game, because I think it's not that good.
Sugar?
Yeah, you have a huge sugar rise and then a huge drop of it, and you really, if you start eating chocolate, you need to continue eating it, and then it's too much chocolate. So it's either dates or some energy gels that athletes use to hold their level of glucose on the same level. Because nowadays it's more important to me. I start to pay more attention, because when you're over 40, kind of at some point your brain just stops functioning, and it's hard to explain, but it just stops. And there is nothing you can do. So I'm trying to learn more about those things for the moment. So yeah, it's always some energetical stuff. I didn't bring it with me because I had a weird Ziploc bag, so yeah. And basically I can have a lip gloss or a lip balm, just and a hand sanitizer. That's the items that you will always find, I think, in my bag, if I bring them back. If it's not a blitz game.
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.